Alright guys, we're here back with our C10 giveaway truck. This is fresh from out of the dyno shop with FiTech. They put a whole new engine in it. It's got an LS, badass dual quad setup on it. I mean, the thing looks killer. Now I'm set up to race you in your C10, which you put the engine in this truck and in this one, so they might have an unfair advantage.
Well, I mean, you got a dual quad LS against a dual quad small block Chevy.
True. So, you know, I mean, I never count out a good old small block.
It's just stock.
I'm just gonna start with all the excuses already. He has more seat time. You know, we just got this back.
You're lighter.
I'm lighter, so I should win, I guess.
All I got was a stupid hat.
But we just figured, yeah, hey, we all have stupid hats today, but but we just figured it would be a badass opportunity to see a couple custom C10s run down the track. This one's on airbags. This one's on fresh QA1.
Yeah.
So I bet that feels good.
That's new to me.
Okay.
I mean, I'm used to going up and down, not hooking to the road and going.
So this should be fun. We're gonna see what they do and see who wins.
Yeah.
What's happened?
I don't know whether to put more air or less in the rear.
What happened on that first one?
You got smoke?
Yeah?
Yeah, he's giving all kinds of excuses right now. He says, airbags, this, that, got a passenger. Just put your foot down.
Hop in here?
Go for it. He was super on that one though.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's figuring out the truck real quick here.
You guys were within like 3 seconds of each other
Yeah.
on that one.
We're gonna try to spread it to 5 this time.
Or 3 milliseconds.
Oh, we're gonna smoke him this time. I can't let him beat me. Now he's talking to my mechanic. Hey, Mike! Mike! Don't be giving them tips. No tips.
I didn't give him any tips.
All right.
I just asked him what he was doing, so I can tell you what he's doing.
Tell him to lower it back down.
All right, what's the strategy here?
Hit the gas pedal. Woo! Yeah, I think we gapped him that time. You know, I'm gonna tell you right now, he's gonna give you 5 excuses. 1, it's new truck to him. 2, he didn't build it. 3, he's lazy. And 4, he's not skilled. 5, this is first time ever driving.
You guys have 2 C10s now. So, number 1, first of all, and then right off the bat, and then secondly, I lost, so that's that.
Esparza, what do you think of this truck?
I love it. It'll just sit there and melt the tires as long as you want, so to me, that's a win, you know what I mean?